Good morning. Welcome to another Wednesday Inspiration Nugget. Don't you just love the summertime? A time of freshness, a time of new life, a time of sunshine, a time where the birds are singing and the dawn breaks so early in the morning. The sun comes up so early in the summertime. And this morning, my wife and I went for this beautiful walk. We woke up 5:30, had a coffee, chatted, prayed together, and just walked and spent time together. It was so special. And as I was walking and praying, I sensed the Lord saying that this is where He's calling us to at this time. And He's been doing that all throughout the ages, and it's found in Song of Solomon, chapter 2. We know the book of the Song of Solomon is this book of this beloved and his bride. This incredible love between a man and a woman, and just this incredible pursuit from the man's side to his bride. And the bride writes in Song of Solomon chapter 2 from verse 10, this lover is saying that my beloved is calling out to me. And he's saying to me, rise up, my love, my fair one, and come away. And then it goes on to say that the winter has gone, the rain has passed, there's a new season, there's flowers blooming and birds singing, and there's a sense of love in the air. And at this time of the year of December, November, December, there's many times love in the air. I'm talking between people, guys and girls getting together, and there's love in the air. And, my wife and I met each other in December, and we got married in November of the following year. So this time is truly a time where people connect and there's love in the air. But there's such a great love that our Father in heaven is calling us to. He's calling us, He's the beloved, and we are His bride. And He's saying to all of us in this time, rise up, my love, my fair one, and come away. He's calling us to that intimacy, because we can have intimacy with many things. And in this time, there's many distractions. This time of the year, the markets are alive. There's buying and selling. There's Black Friday specials. And the beach is really attractive, and the sun, and just doing a lot of things and going on holiday and doing hobbies, and we can get distracted with many things. Many times we don't work, we go on holiday, but yet we become so distracted and busy with a lot of things, hobbies and nice things. But I believe the Father in heaven is calling us to this place of intimacy. He's saying to us as His bride, as He's calling us His love, His fair one, my love, my fair one, come away with me. And I sense the Father is really calling all of us to this place of intimacy, and this place where we can be not distracted with a lot of things, not busy with a lot of things, because there are beautiful distractions out there. But many times it takes us away from our first love, our true love. And I want to say to you this morning, if you don't feel worthy of being His love, His fair one, then that's a lie, because in Jesus Christ, that is what He calls you. He calls you His love, His fair one. Sometimes we don't see ourselves as that. And I want to break that lie this morning, because that lie can keep us from that intimacy. That lie keeps us from responding to the call of our beloved, who's Jesus Christ, the Father in heaven. And God is so amazing. God is this powerful warrior. He's a leader. He's a king. He's the Lion of Judah. But sometimes we don't see Him as this lover. God is all these things. He's awesome. He's amazing. And we sometimes have the fear of God. We revere God, but yet we don't see Him as this lover who's wanting to be close to us, who's wanting to draw near to us, calling us away from all the distractions. So I want to encourage you at this time to really respond, to experience the joy of His call out of just the distractions, out of the busyness, out of even the nice life that this world has to offer, into intimacy with Him. There's no greater place, friends, than being intimate with our lover. That is our purpose, to respond to Him. And out of that place of intimacy comes dreams and visions and creativity and new ideas for next year. So I want to encourage you in this time to think about next year already. Sometimes we just want to go on holiday and forget about all the things, but God has a plan. God is not limited by holidays or by the end of the year or the beginning of the year. God is moving. And He's calling us away to this place of intimacy, this place of knowing Him. And out of that place, the kingdom will come. So I want to say this morning that your lover is calling you. Your bridegroom, your beloved, He's saying, come away with me, my love, my fair one. Come away, rise up out of the slumber and the distractions. Rise up and come away and be with me. And there's no greater place on this earth than to be with your beloved. The King of Kings, the Lord of Lords, your lover, Jesus Christ, is calling you. So enjoy this day and respond as your lover calls you. Respond to the greatest love that there ever has been and ever will be. And that is the love between God and his church, between us as his people and him. Be blessed as you respond to your lover calling. Rise up, come away. I want to be with you. Enjoy this day in Jesus' name.